The term presumed innocent is an interesting term because it's stating the fact that you would be in an innocent condition before the law, before the accusers. It would be very similar to Jesus. He basically had stated that his kingdom was not of this world. So it was not of a legal de facto situation. It was of the highest right from God, and therefore you're born natural and you're born innocent. You're not born with any title that would say that you are in guilt, debt, or sin. But what happens in the legal system operates in something that's opposite to grace. So it must have a debtor title placed on it. What's interesting about the UN handbook that was dealing with birth registration, it noted that anything that was ever underlined on a birth record such as this would be deemed to be a supposition or an error. And because a child could not be guilty of being in debt or sin, therefore this document's not even utilizable as legal identity because of the fact that you were presumed innocent at birth. What's happened is when this document is completed by the parents and then they take in comparison the document that was filled out by the attending doctor that does not have the given name of the child on it, they compare the two together and then they make a birth certificate instrument out of that. But it is not based on the fact of just this document on its own. This document on its own would, of course, presume that someone was innocent. A child could never be entered into a contract. A child could never be guilty of a trespass or a criminal act or utilizing something that doesn't belong to them because they could never consent to be in any of these things. So later what happens is you become someone who enters into a deception, and then you take on the title, the appearance of guilt, the appearance of sin, the appearance of debt, by endorsing and signing and placing your picture beside something and acting as a surety for an instrument that it now implies that you are now the surety for another. One who holds legal title for another is considered to be a dummy in law. So therefore you have taken on the debt of a stranger because truth is a stranger to fiction. So even the term peaceful means free from public disturbance. So what happens is when your given name is inside or joined with the public surname, you're now not free from public disturbance. Now you will be very disturbed because of the fact that you've now entered in or become unequally yoked with unbelievers. The next video that we'll do will easily explain that because it's just dealing with what simply is a Gentile and why the dictionaries have given us the answers in the definitions so that we would actually understand diction and jurisdiction and understand right words and what are wrong words and what happens when you walk into the error. As Peter said, that there was many that will walk in error, they will live in error. So if you're living in the error of using a name that is not a true name, a fictional name, you're living in a lie, you're living in a fiction, and therefore you'll be treated as such. And that is why people are experiencing the dilemmas that we've seen over the last 2 years. So we'll go into the definition of Gentile in the next video.